Hello, my name is Esodie Geiger, and I am the Acting Executive Director for ReadingWorks. I wanted to take a moment to talk about the importance of adult literacy in the time of crisis. All of us are being asked to live differently than what we're used to. Those who can are working from home. Parents are being asked to homeschool their kids, and nightly we receive health and social well-being updates. Those who are working from home can do so because they can read. Parents who are homeschooling their kids can do so because they can read. Those of us who can process and understand the nightly updates can do so because we have oral comprehension skills and cognitive thinking abilities. These skills greatly set us apart in comparison, while in some respects they save our lives, in comparison to the many adults in our city and across the country who can't read. There are 46 million people in the U.S. who can't read. 21% of the adult population in Albuquerque doesn't have a high school diploma or speak enough English to thrive economically. In our organization alone, 84% of the adults in our program read at or below the 5th grade level. Well, I guarantee you that right now these folks are struggling tremendously. With most services being closed, they're having to fend for themselves and their children, and it is much harder than even what they're used to. Understanding the medical ramifications surrounding this disease is extremely hard for them to comprehend. Most aren't even able to do anything mentioned in the list I previously mentioned because they don't have the basic skills, and many often are subsisting in a survival mode and living minute from minute. Now, we kick things up a notch, and I'm sure most of these folks are even more fearful and probably feeling more desperate than they have before. Having basic literacy skills gives people a chance to navigate the world around them in the best of times, but most importantly, during a crisis. Funding our organization means that you can help us continue to create a sense of normalcy in the lives of our students who don't have that sense of normalcy, because we can provide them with basic skills to function. Funding our organization means that our students and their families won't be left behind in the time of crisis. Please, take care of yourselves, take care of your families, love on your neighbors, love on your pets, and thank you all so much for allowing our organizations and other organizations to experience a sense of normalcy during these uncertain times. Thank you.